Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this sleek low middle part bun. So if you're interested, continue watching. So jumping straight into this tutorial, you want to make sure your hair is parted in the middle. I just went ahead and just freshened up my middle part. So I always like to use my nose as a guide and then just take the tail of my comb and make that part straight down. So once that's done, I did realize I needed to go in with my flat iron a little bit. So that way my ponytail is nice and sleek and there's no like waviness or anything like that to it. So I went in with my flat iron and just cleaned up the parts that will be showing. So as you can see, it is a bit wavy at the top and my hair was not flat ironed. So I just went ahead and flat ironed the top section that was going to be showing once I molded it into my low ponytail. So once that's done, I'm just going to use my tail comb and just comb my hair down all the way back. And I'm doing a really low bun. So I am going to comb it all the way down to the nape of my head. That's just at the very back. And then I will be using my hair tie to just put it all in one. So today I decided no baby hairs, but I will be leaving out my sideburns, of course. So I went ahead and parted that out. Now I'll be going in with my clear eco styling gel and I am just going to spread that all over my hair. And this is what I'm going to use it to slick it down, of course. So once I've applied the gel everywhere, I'm going back in with my tail comb and I'm just going to comb it through and make sure that it is nice and smooth. For those trying to achieve this look with natural hair that will curl when you apply gel, I do suggest using Got To Be Free Spray or the Ebony adhesive to slick down your hair. And I have a lot of videos where I show how to slick down your hair with Got To Be Free Spray or the adhesive. So I'll definitely link that above so you can go ahead and check that out as well. So once I have applied the gel and combed it through, I'm just going to remove my band, comb that ponytail area through because sometimes you do catch more hair and it's like jumbled up around the band. So you want to go ahead, remove it, make sure it is nice and slick, and then catch it all back up into one. So I will be applying my Wrap It Up strip while I do my bun. So I'm just going to place it on my hair, allow it to dry with the wrap on so it doesn't get messy. And then I'm gonna go into doing the bun. Honestly guys, this is what I like about these quick and easy hairstyles. I had this bundle of braiding hair and I honestly wanted to do something to my hair. It came in handy. So I did remove the elastic on it and I split it because I thought it was too much hair in the one bundle for me to just add onto my hair. So I did take some out. And I do suggest even using a smaller length. This is just what I had at home, so why not use it? But if it's shorter, it is honestly better. But I'm working with what I have. So what I'm doing is I'm going to attach this hair to my ponytail. So I'm using the elastic band and I'm going to tie it back like how I had it. So you're just going to make a loop and attach it onto your ponytail. So when attaching it, you're literally just going to put it on the band and tie it until it is no longer loose. And I do suggest trying to keep the elastic at the top of your ponytail and not make it slide down to the bottom. That way it stays close to the ponytail and it's not underneath your band. Then I'm going ahead and I'm taking a small piece as my wrap and I'm just going to do my wrap. And that way it is covering the elastic band and the hair tie that I used to tie my ponytail as well. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and twist, basically twirl the braiding hair and my hair, but I am trying to keep my hair in between the braiding hair. That way my hair is not poking out. And then I'm just twisting it from the bottom, as you can see, and going up. So I start the twist low, twirl it around, and then I'm building on top of it. And that's how you make that knot bun. So you want to twirl it until you reach to the top. And this is what I mean when I say the hair should have been shorter, because I still had so much hair left, but then I just added it onto my wrap. And when I mean added it onto my wrap, I just mean that once I reached the very top and there was a little bit left, I basically made it flat and just twirled it, just like how I did the small piece that I wrapped around my band. So it basically made my band a bit thicker, but you just want to continue wrapping the hair until you reach the very tip and you just tuck it in, like you just literally wrap everything. So once I've created my bun, I'm going to go ahead with my mini flat iron, and this is my Babyliss mini iron, and I'm just going to curl my sideburns that I left out. And this is just to make it easier when I go in and comb it. You'll see it as soon as I'm done this. But I am, of course, using my Ebon Edge Control. So I'm just placing it on that very top portion of my sideburns. And then using my comb and styling it the way I want it. So as you can see, curling it just made it a lot more easier for me to style it. Now that that's done, this is basically it for the hairstyle. I'm going in with my Paul Mitchell Shine Spray, and I'm just spraying that all over my hair. You guys know I love using Shine Spray when I'm done my hair. So I placed that all over, and that is basically it, guys. Look at this. Such a cute, simple, and easy hairstyle. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I want to bring a lot more quick and easy hairstyles for you guys to be able to achieve. But I hope you guys like this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you have made it this far. Comment down below. Let me know any other videos you guys would be interested in seeing me do. And yeah, that is it for today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.